Hello guys! Happy Tuesday!
What's up mga katataw?
Kakain na naman po tayo ngayon.
Gutom na nga ako.
Oh, gutom ka na. Ang ulam natin is, ito po, laing.
Saway may sausawan po kami.
Maanghang.
May sausawan po.
O yan, tapos ito yung sausawan ni Buchukoy. Tapos meron po tayong pritong Gigi, galunggong prito. Ayan, tapos meron tayo ditong chicken adobo.
Sarap yan.
Ito guys, chicken adobo. Ayan. Makain na tayo, Buchukoy. Sarap to.
3, 2, 1, go!
Fight!
Sausage, I need fish.
Fight! Ah, hindi fish.
Cheese.
Dahan-dahan ha.
Palagi na natin pinit dito.
Si Pangkoy nagluto nito
And
lang.
shout out to Kim. If you see us, make sure to hit that like button. And yeah, that's it. And thank you for 21 subscribers. Thank you for all the support.
Dami namin subscribers. Baka naman.
You think other people have higher subscribers, dude?
Baka naman. Subscribe nyo na kami para madagdagan na. Oo.
LOL.
Kain po.
So good.
Sarap to. Ang sarap oh. May sili.
You want your sauce?
Ay ako anak. Kasi meron akong laing.
I'm gonna just put it in the middle.
No, it's okay there.
Okay.
Meron sili, dami. Ay, sarap. Tapos ito, ang sahog, mga taba, tapos, espada, tuyo, bulad. Sarap. Isang subo ng kanin na may laing. Yan po. Kain tayo. Ay, sarap.
I feel
Tapos,
like I'm
isang
hungry
kagat ng sili.
person.
Sarap.
Oh my
Sarap.
god, my fish.
May... Ay! Nahulog ang sili. Taba. Minsan lang po ako kumain nito. High blood. Ang tap ng laing.
Well,
Si
good.
Buchukoy, favorite niya yung pritong isda. Buchukoy. Ito pa po, siling labuyo. Sarap. Tapos may galunggong. Sarap. Laing. Taba. Subo.
Oh!
Sili. Sarap.
You don't feel spices coming in your mouth.
Yeah. So
My teeth
spicy.
is already growing.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Yes.
Alam the food na ako.
Sarap ng galunggong. Sariwa. You want adobo?
No, thank you.
Sarap.
Oh my god. Sarap.
Sarap ng luto. Nagmamantika siya. Yung mantika ng gata.
Mas masarap kaysa sa iba.
Sarap. Sarap si Papa magluto, no?
Galing yun. Genius yun. Genius yun magluto.
May genius pala magluto. Ang lutong ng ano. Galunggong.
Oh my.
I want more rice. Sarap.
Can I have my apple?
Wait lang.
Here.
Wait lang anak ha. Uy, kain pa. Dagdag ng kanin. Sarap ng ulam.
I like it. Super good.
More laing.
It made me feel like I'm the power.
Sarap.
I have the power.
Sarap. Tapos more fish. Sarap.
What is some fish? I need that fish, okay?
Okay.
Feed the animals.
Yes. Fish talaga ang favorite mo.
Kakaiba. Kasi mas masarap yung laman at yung balat
Yes.
nitong isda.
Sarap.
Oh,
It's okay. Gutom na gutom ka, no? Kasi naglaro siya ng naglaro.
I've been playing outside.
Is it open?
What?
Yakult?
Oh, yeah.
Ubus na. Kala ko hindi pa na-open. Ubus na pala. Sarap. Sili. Laing kanin.
It doesn't waste.
Sarap.
Empty. How did...
Sarap.
Right, here's the count. When people say, I'm full, they have
We have what?
what to eat. This.
You like that?
No, if you lose and you say, I'm full, you got to eat that. That's the deal, okay?
Ano yan?
But if I
Pag daw nabusog ako,
have to drink this off.
pag nagsabi daw akong I'm full, kailangan ko daw kainin itong mga sili lahat. Dami-dami niya, no?
That's true. Yep. Say what a child says.
May ang kitang fish, oh. Sarap.
I'm the luckiest person to ever eat.
Sarap.
Holy chicken nuggies. This is a huge bone. Look at this bone, guys. This bone is is big. It's medium, but this is medium. I like how they like bing in the bone.
Bilis ko kumain. Nakadalawang platong kanin agad ako.
Don't say I'm full, okay? Or you lose the challenge.
May challenge pa to.
Yes!
What's the prize?
The prize. The winner gets to choose what you have to eat.
Really?
Yes.
Hindi. Deal.
There is no way.
You're the winner.
Alright.
Okay.
I have to dare you to eat those two.
No. Sabi mo may price lang.
Yes, the winner has to pick who gets to.
No, you said the winner can choose whatever he wants or she wants to eat.
Yes, that's what I exactly said. Now you're doing it. Eat those two.
And so you're the winner. You can choose what you want to eat.
You can choose. I can choose whatever I want to
No,
eat.
I thought the winner can choose anything she wants or he wants to eat for her.
No, you want or something she wants.
Oh, hindi. For you, not for me.
Alright, fine. I'm drinking this.
No. That's toyo anak. No, it's salty.
Salty.
Sobrang busog.
That counts.
Bye guys. Kain na din kayo. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe na kayo sa amin. Di ba? Buchukoy na.
Yeah.
Bye.
Subscribe na.